So hey guys, I'm going to show you how I'm going to separate the fiber from this separated leaves. Okay, I'm going to use the blunt end of this knife, a spare knife, and I'm going to separate the green portion, and all that will remain will be the fiber of this plant. So let me take one leaf and show it to you. This is the leaf I will be using. Okay, I hope you can see it. Let me just check. Okay. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll use this portion, the outer end of the cattail, and what you'll do is you'll keep scraping it like this forcefully, so that all the watery and the gooey portion, the green portion, it comes out. You see this? It's coming out. Keep on doing this. Okay, you see this? The fibers are separated. I'll be washing it after it is done, so the green portion, if there is any remaining green portion, it will come out. I hope you can see it. Let me just check. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, yeah. One more time. Oh. Outside, outside. Okay, yeah. There we go. Blunt end, not the sharp end, otherwise the fibers will break. You see this fiber, this beautiful fiber? You see this beautiful fiber? This is the fiber. This fiber will be used for making the cordage. See? Beautiful it looks. We have to keep on doing it till all the fiber is taken out from each of these leaves. Okay, this is quite a lengthy process. It's a lengthy process than the retting process. However, this will be much faster. You can use it immediately, or you can wait till the fibers are dry. Once the fibers are dry, then you can make the cordage. I prefer using it immediately, so that I can when it is wet, it is much easier to make a cord than when it is dry, because it kind of breaks. This is okay. See how easily it will come off. Okay, one more thing I need to tell you is that you need to remove this by hand only when it is green, and when it is fresh. If you try to do it, if you keep it in the sunlight or something like that, let it dry or something, then it will be much difficult to take out the fiber. So I just washed it and I'm taking it out. This is the lengthy process. Okay, I'm going to show you one cordage as well. I'll make one cord for you, so you know what I'm talking about. Don't worry if a little bit green is there, it will come out when you wash the cordage. Don't worry at all. And a little bit of green is, it looks good, it looks organic, so that is fine as well if it remains. See, because I broke it in half, it is much easier to take out the fiber. Okay, I think I lost it. Yeah. You see this? All green coming out so fast. So if you have a lot of cattail, you know, to process, I would say go for the longer method, the retting process, instead of doing it this way, because this kind of takes time and a lot of energy as well. Just because I want to show you how the cordage is done, that's why I'm doing this. I'm just using one of this, one of the leaves. Okay, see how it is. See, this one is with the green portion, this one is without the green portion. Broke. It broke. It's okay. I think as when it comes near the tapering portion, the tapered portion, kind of the fibers are not as stronger. This is the first time I'm working with cattail, so I'm learning too along with you. After this, I'll give a thorough wash to the fibers. This one as well, it broke. It's kind of breaking, so I'm gonna stop right here. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here. Take this portion, this much, okay, and I'm gonna wash this and I'll be back.